The Galaxy A55 has been fully leaked days before its launch. Yesterday, I told you that Samsung has announced that both Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 will be unveiled on March 11th. But a phone company already published the entire listing of the specifications of this device by mistake. Previously, many images of this device had already been leaked, where it reveals both its water resistance and its key island, which is a small protrusion on the side buttons. But now let me tell you that according to what has been leaked, it will have the Exynos 1480 processor accompanied with 6 GB of RAM, although there could be variants of up to 12 GB. In storage, it would start with 128 GB, although fortunately it will indeed support microSD up to 1 TB. I think in storage it could be very uncompetitive, considering that many mid-range devices these days are pushing their storage up to 256, which I think is very good, but it looks like Samsung will be a step behind virtually all of its competitors. The battery would also be 5000 milliamps, staying the same as last generation. Obviously, it would come with Android 14, and in the photographic section we would see exactly the same configuration as the last generation, with 50 megapixels for the main camera, 12 megapixels for the ultra-wide camera, 5 megapixels for the macro camera, and 32 megapixels for the front camera. The screen would be 6.6 inches OLED display. That is slightly higher than the last generation because possibly the bezels will be a bit thinner, which was not that hard to achieve. Let me know what you think of these features, although remember that leak is not presentation. And just as I tell you, according to the publicity images, it seems that it would retain its certification against water, which is one of its strongest points. And it is said that it would also switch to aluminum frames to have an even more premium construction.